A 2015 Lexus IS250. We're going to do the cabin air filter on it today. It's going to be located behind your glove box. First thing we're going to do is remove this tray here. We're just going to pull up on it, pull it out like that. Move this door here, push these tabs up, pull the door towards you. Remove this door, push this tab in, pull towards you, push this tab in, pull towards you. Okay. Put this thing off. So, alright, now we're going to take the filter out of here. It's really dirty. Get our new one, okay? So this one's labeled with arrows. This is airflow. Airflow is going to be down. Stick the new one in. Like that. Alright. Then we just replace it. Slide that in there. Get this door here. Now, if you need a filter, I'll have a link down in the description box where you can purchase a filter. It's an Amazon link. So check that out. They're nice and cheap there. Put this tray back, put it on the right side first, and then drop it down here. Just like that, and you're all done. I hope the video was helpful. If it was, appreciate it. Hit the like button for me, leave a comment if you could. Hope to see you again in another Lexus video.